let's kick the tires on the Stockman trailer from Good Guys. What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Virtual Tire Kicker series. It's Leroy with Happy Trailers here with my good friend Aaron Barnes today at Good Guys, and we're checking out one of their newest trailers in their series. This is the Stockman. It's a big gooseneck livestock trailer, and I'm pretty pumped about it. What's this one all about?
All right, so the Stockman is for your commercial cattle operation. So this is for your cowboys that are out there working with cows every day of the week, 365 days a year. They need something big, durable, tough. This is the trailer.
This is the one that's never gonna come off the gooseneck, huh?
That's right, you're staying hooked up to this thing year round. This is for work.
There you go, let's check it out. All right, let's talk a little bit about the Stockman. You guys have been building gooseneck livestock trailers for a while, but the Stockman is a little bit different, is that right?
That's correct. So for the last 2 years, we've been building our Wrangler series, which is a bar top.
Yes.
It has a tarp on top. We had customers that are like, can you make us a steel top version of it? And this is our answer to that. This is the Stockman.
I like that. Okay, so full steel top instead of the bar top. That's
Correct.
kind of the differentiator there.
Yep.
And of course, this is also kind of different. You've got the bullet nose up here.
That's right. So the bullet nose gives you a lot of extra storage, and it looks extra cool as well.
I like that. All right, just to show off a few features here, since we're at the front, you've got your gooseneck tried and true 2 5/16 adjustable coupler. Your spare tire is right up here in the front. Easy access. That's a standard feature as well.
Correct.
And your main neck frame, you're looking at an 8-inch I-beam frame. You've got the 12,000-pound Ram jack up front. And since it's up here, let's talk about the blackout package too.
Yeah, so this is our blackout package. It's standard. All of these rock guards are now black. You can also get them in the traditional aluminum if you want, but this has become super popular and people really like this Arizona beige metallic with the blackout package. It's just a sharp combo.
I'm a fan of it. That's pretty sweet. Okay, let's check out the side.
Let's do it.
All right, so we're over here on the passenger side. The first thing I see, of course, is this escape door. And I see a lot of beefy features here too. Got big hinges everywhere. I mean, I can tell that the fit and finish on this trailer is next level.
Yeah, so we have made some massive improvements in our paint quality over the last year. We've moved it over to Sherwin-Williams paint. Every one of these trailers is fully sandblasted, primered, liquid top coat, and then we've actually gone through and done a ton of work on sealing up any of these welds where pipe and tubing meets, just to make sure we can keep them as rust-free as possible.
I can see all of that here, yeah. There's no chance for water to get in anywhere.
Yep. So, and also using the 1x3 tubing instead of formed pieces or channel, it's just another place where we can keep rust out of your trailer.
I like that. Looking at these brush fenders too,
yeah,
that is solid.
Big, heavy duty, strong brush fenders. I mean, we're really building these trailers to last your family a generation or two, and going heavy duty on the brush fender is really the only way to do it.
I like that. Coming around a little bit farther, you've got 7,000-pound axles. That's standard on this model, correct?
That's right. So all of our trailers are equipped with Lippert axles. These are Lippert 7K torsions, and they have the extra long warranty. So 11 years on the torsion axles. We're also running GoodRide 235/80, R16. Those have been really solid tires in the industry for a long time.
That's right. Very good. Well, sweet. Let's check out what the gate is in the back.
All right, let's do it.
All right, so in the back here, this one's got the butterfly gates, tried and true. I think there's a few gate options here though, right?
Yeah, so this is your classic butterfly gates, but we also have the full swing with a rear slider, and that's a really popular option for the Stockman as well.
There you go. Well, as I'm looking at opening it up, I see a lot of safety features here too. You gotta pull up on a pin before you can remove your big bar, and then there's still other bars right here before you can open a gate.
Absolutely. We know that, look, you're hauling a lot of money when you're putting your cattle in these things, and we just want to make sure everything's nice and secure. You've got a lot of redundancy around safety to make sure all your cows show up just as good as when you left.
That's perfect. I like it. We're also looking at a really big, beefy tubing bumper right here in the back. I like that. Once again, I can tell the durability is where you're at.
Yeah, so we know ranchers are going to use these things hard, and there's really no reason to skimp on something like a bumper. So we're going all out, heavy duty bumper. When you back this thing into something, it's probably going to tear up whatever you're hitting instead of the trailer.
I like that. I'm hopping in.
Let's do it.
All right, I can definitely see a lot of features inside that I kind of want to talk about here too. First of all, we got plenty of headroom, so that's super nice. I got my cowboy hat on, I'm still gonna fit.
Yeah, you could be a big, tall cowboy with a 10-gallon hat. You're gonna fit fine in the Stockman.
That's good, that's good. I see 2 cut gates here, just to make sure this is a 24-foot long model. So that gives you equal sections, is that right?
Yeah, so 24 foot, has 2 cut gates. That gives you 3 8-foot sections for your cattle.
Okay, and there's slam latches here too.
Yeah.
Looking at this one, this makes it really easy because you can release this slam latch from both inside or outside with this,
Absolutely.
with this design.
Absolutely. Super simple. It also has a pin just for some extra redundancy if you're going down the road to make sure none of your cut gates were to come open if animals were to push up against them.
Locked in and unlocked. I can handle that. That's pretty easy. Okay, also looking at the floor, there's some big gaps. What are we doing here?
Yeah, so if these were our equipment trailers, this would not be good, but this is actually perfect for the rancher. So the reason that we gap each one of these boards out is that, you know, our friends, the cows, they leave some things behind for us as we go down the road, and we want to be able to clean that out as quickly and easily as possible. So having these gaps actually gives them a little traction, makes it easier to clean out, and of course, I think one of the best features of the Stockman is this giant clean out that we have in the front. So you can just run your broom and brush and push, go all the way out the front, go all the way out the back. It just makes cleanup at the end of the day really easy on this trailer.
I like that. That's a good maintenance option right there.
For sure.
Clean and easy.
Yep.
All right, coming up here to the front, this bullet nose looks even cooler from the inside. Obviously, there's tons of storage here.
Yeah, so this is gonna give you dry storage. If you're a rancher and you wanna be able to store any of your tack, any of your materials that you're using out in the field.
Even so you can feed.
You could throw it up in here. A lot of guys will throw a board in just to keep everything in place. But this is kind of some workable space that they can customize to their ranch and what they wanna do.
I like it. Let's head back outside. Well, I can definitely see why the Stockman trailer is the everyday cattleman trailer. It's definitely just rugged and durable. It hits all the marks. Speaking of which, what does the warranty look like on these things?
Okay, so the warranty on a GoodGuys livestock trailer is 1 year from the coupler to the bumper, 3 year on the frame, and then some of the individual components have longer warranties, like the Lippert torsion axles have an 11-year axle warranty.
There you go. So you're well covered on the warranty side as well.
Absolutely.
That's perfect. Well, Aaron, thank you so much for showing us one of the brand new models. I'm excited for it. Check them out at happytrailers.com or check out the full spec sheets at goodguystrailers.com as well. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you for the next one.